Sometimes it's fun to begin at the end. So I'm going to start with dessert. We're going to make pear bread pudding. So pick out those pears that are a little bruised that you're not eating, some bread from yesterday, and let's make the bread pudding. Eggs bind the pudding. They make the custard. You know, I always like a little bit of salt in my eggs. Sugar. Let's whisk the sugar in there. Vanilla. Give it a little aroma, flavor. And to make the bread pudding really custardy, I put half cream and half milk. Okay. Let's dissolve the sugar and mix it well. And let's add the bread and let the bread take in the custard. The pears, this is 2 pears. We want to present this at a nice form to the table, so a nice vessel that you can put in the oven. Butter it nicely. Even this out with some peaks of the bread. You know, when it's done and you have those toasty, baked bread peaks, bread stuffed with this custard, it really is delicious. Here I have some sugar and almonds, and we'll top with that. And the almonds, get this almond slivers that are blanched. Don't toast them because they, of course, will toast with this. Just spread them around. Preheat an oven at 375 degrees. You put it in for about 45 minutes, and it'll be delicious. Looking good, really good. Okay, you can see the peaks, the toasted almonds, and it's just ready to eat. Let's see, this looks like a nice toasty corner. Okay. So let me go. Okay. A little whipped cream. Absolutely. And I am ready to taste. So delicious. You know, nuts, pears, custard. You know all those flavors put together. Still hot, nice, delicious. Buonissimo.